Welcome. In today's video, we're walking through how to prevent Snapchat from accessing your contacts, a simple way to keep your privacy exactly where you want it. Whether you've just installed the app or you're tightening your privacy settings, these steps will help you take control in just a minute or two. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open your settings. This is where you can manage what each app on your device can and can't do. The process might look slightly different depending on your phone's model or operating system, but the idea stays the same. Next, scroll until you see Apps, or in some phones, it might be listed as App Management. Tap that. You'll now see a list of all the apps installed on your device. From here, scroll down and find Snapchat, then tap on it. This will take you to Snapchat's app info page, where you can see details about storage, data usage, notifications, and most importantly, permissions. Now tap on Permissions. This is where you control what Snapchat has access to, such as your camera, microphone, location, and contacts. If you want to stop Snapchat from seeing your contacts, simply tap on Contacts. When that menu opens, select Don't Allow. This instantly revokes Snapchat's access to your contact list. The app will no longer be able to sync or suggest people from your phone's contacts. And that's it. You've successfully prevented Snapchat from accessing your contacts. You can double-check by returning to the Permissions page under Contacts. It should now say, Not Allowed. Doing this helps you avoid automatic friend suggestions based on your phone's address book and keeps your private contact information out of the app's reach. If at any point you change your mind, you can follow these same steps and switch contacts access back on. But if privacy is your top priority, keeping it off is the smart move. Thanks for watching.